Good morning. This is a nice angle.
Hi. Good morning.
So it's Thursday. I've just finished up at the gym. I've got coffee. Yes, Lois is there. I won't vlog her right now because it's early. But yeah, I just wanted to say good morning, and I hope you enjoy coming along for my Wednesday. Is it Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday with me. It's October 3rd and it's a Wednesday. It's October 3rd.
Is that the right day?
And Wednesdays we're working. It's October 3rd and it's a Wednesday! I was so happy. But like, every year I tweet the same damn things. October 3rd. It's October 3rd? Yeah, it's October 3rd. On October 1st I tweet hello October. October 2nd is my birthday, so I do birthday tweets. And then October 3rd I tweet it's October 3rd. And then today I got to be like, on Wednesdays we wear pink. All of a sudden I was so happy. So happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoy coming along for my Wednesday, October 3rd with me.
And then I've got a load of stuff of you walking.
Yes, so the which are like the outtakes of that, and if you listen to the audio it's quite like amusing. The vision for it is that it is all glitchy and it has me like walking into the bathroom and then goes into the tutorial.
Okay, so glitchy stuff, maybe like a bit of intro wishy-washy stuff, and then you kick into the song.
Yeah. What's in my boot? That's a squirtle.
That's a squirtle.
Out there, it's a squirtle.
It's a wild squirtle.
Yeah. Are you bored?
Yeah.
This here is a can of spray paint. There's some summer dresses. There's a bomber jacket. Yeah. There's a blanket for picnics. I'm gonna stop standing like this now because I can't hide my addresses anymore. It's giving me back problems. Now you know what's in my boot. You're welcome. Might as well intro this vlog here because I'm stuck here. It's literally like there's one set of traffic lights in Brighton which I class as like the worst traffic lights in the world, and they're unfortunately on my way to the train station. Good morning. It's Thursday today. Today I'm going to London. I've got a meeting. I might have two meetings actually. I need to check on the second one. Yeah, so I'm going to London. I have had so much to do this morning. I didn't get time to go to the gym this morning because I was just like, there is no time. So yeah, I've just been trying to get everything together so that I am on El Timo today. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a crazy morning. My brain is a little bit frazzled already, and it's 10 p.m, which is 10 p.m, 10 a.m. which is good. Yeah, so we are gonna go to London, and then I think I'm going out tonight, but I don't know what I'm doing. I need to check on that as well. Basically, there's a lot of me just needing to check on things. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, you?
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Huh?
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Oh, this is it, is it?
It's Vlogtober! See you later. This is one of my favourite streets in Brighton. One day I'd like to own one of these. So gorgeous. My hair is freshly did, trying to knock out some of the extreme orange that I had running through it, which although it's very appropriate for autumn, it kind of wasn't what I wanted. So yeah, we're back at a slightly cooler colour, slightly. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's a bit darker. So this morning I have just been to the gym, got my hair done. Got my hair done. I actually need to stop saying that. I worked on some presentations whilst I was in the hairdressers, and now I'm gonna grab a quick coffee before I head home and carry on with said presentations. My life is just wild, and people are shouting at me. It's great. Love my life. Happy October. Morning, Lois.
Hello.
It's not morning anymore,
No,
but
it's not, it's the
hi. It's just because I've just seen you. We've had coffee. Now we're heading back.
Yeah.
I'm just in such a chatty mood today. The 5th Vlogtober of the week is uploading. You done it! I don't know what I was saying. Like, Lois literally, I've not been here. But where was I here? I don't even remember.
You weren't here all of yesterday.
Yeah, Lois texted me. She's like, when are you coming back? So yeah, there's been a lot of videos and I haven't been here this week a lot of the time on upload day to upload them. So Lois has, she's been making sure you get the vids. Angel. I've been doing the vlog. I've been off doing the vlogging and you've been doing the uploading and the editing, and we are now 2 videos into next week. I can't believe we've made it to the 5th of October and everything. Like, there has not been one late video. I have not cried yet. I'm not officially sick yet. It's coming. I'm just like, yeah, Lois.
I was getting sick.
I'm not officially sick yet though. I can literally, I woke up this morning, I was like, it's coming. I can feel it. Like, I was on the treadmill and 50 seconds in I was sweating and it was hard and I was like, this is not normal.
Yeah,
so
poorly.
It's coming. I'm gonna spend the weekend literally horizontal on the sofa and it's gonna be all good. What? It is 4:15. Lois and I are wrapping up for the day, and come 6 o'clock, we're gonna go to the pub. I'm so happy. I'm happy. Leave me alone.
You mad. You big mad. Oh god.
It's just at the end of a Drake song and we just didn't even know that that was...
I thought it was some random like old man talking until I actually googled it. I thought it was an old guy. He's not. He's just like...
He's got a really funny voice.
Yeah.
You guys probably know what I'm talking about because I think we've probably inserted it in about 1,000 videos by now. But yeah, that is our little update. I'm actually about to go downstairs because there's a mystery Topshop order. Topshop order. I can't. There's a There's a mystery Topshop order that has arrived, so I'm gonna go find out what's in it. What do you think? What do you think I've ordered?
Maybe
bets on the type of
crop tops, maybe some jumpers, maybe some jeans, maybe some boots.
I'm gonna say there's no boots.
Okay, no
boots. It's big though, isn't it? It's a big bag. I was like, what did I do? Genuinely genuinely do intro. I know, so I'm gonna go unbox that. I reckon it's gonna be a coat, you know. And yes, I am aware of how ridiculous it is that I don't remember what I've ordered. The moment of truth.
Hello. Hi. What do you think it is, Rory? What do you think it is?
Okay, there's a couple of things. Okay, we have a jumper. This looks very nice.
Ooh, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
That's real cute.
So I bought 2 colours. This is like a kind of forest green. That's actually really nice. I just have visions of me wearing this with my snake print skirt. I feel like that was why I bought this colour. Was basically so I think I bought it to pair with that. That is actually a really gorgeous colour. I love that. It would also go very nicely with this. I'm liking my neutral colours at the moment. This is cute. Yes, I like this. Okay. This. Excellent. Oh, I have no recollection of me doing this. I'm like, did I have some rosé and then do a touch of water? That sounds like something I would do. Ooh, oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love that. This with some boots and this jumper. Yeah, I love that. Love that. That is gorgeous. Okay, well done me for all the late night Topshop for this. We've got one more jumper. It's high necked, kind of longer than I would usually go for. Yeah, that's cute. You will see, if these fit, you will see all of these in next week's what I wore in a week, because I don't want to like style things up for hauls and then you just end up like having repeat content, because that would be so boring. We have a coat. This is cute. Will it be the right length? Oh my god, the colour of this. This is very, very cute. This is so nice. Yeah, it's quite oversized, but I really like this. Pair of boots. I never like long coats, but this is actually quite cute. Works quite nicely with my darker hair. Yeah. So now I know what was in my Topshop haul. Must have been very, very late when I did that order. I tend to, does anyone else have this when they get tired? I tend to just not remember anything after like 10 p.m. So I'm very, very happy with that. Can't wait to show you these in my next what I wore in a week. By the way, how cute are these? My managers at GLEAM sent me these really gorgeous roses. They're all like lilacs and peaches. It's so cute. And then there's like one peony, because obviously peony season has like gone. I think it's a peony. Maybe it is just a rose, but it looks very like different to all the others. But yeah, they're so beautiful. Thanks, guys. I think that's where I'm gonna leave this vlog, because it is Friday evening and I'm getting ready to wind down for the weekend. I'm so happy. I'm really glad that I did up the videos to 5 a week, but gave myself a weekend this year, because it's just, I feel like there's actually a little bit more, like the structure is better for me mentally, and I think it's going to be better for you because you get 5 videos anyway, which is great. I feel like it's been a bit of a crazy couple of days. I don't feel like I've had that much of a chat with you guys, just because it has been so crazy for me. Nala's just walking around with a giant teddy in her mouth. It's just been so crazy for me. There's been lots of London, there's been so many meetings, but yeah, there have been a lot of meetings, and I feel like the front part of my brain just genuinely feels like it's turned off, and my brain has just like turned to cotton wool. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the weekend. I'm just gonna not speak to anyone for like 48 hours. Hi, are you okay there? I had a really, really good day of meetings yesterday. Yeah, I'm really, really excited for the next couple of months. I'm excited for this month, and then I'm excited for November, because there's some cool stuff coming in November, which I'll be talking to you about soon. And then Christmas, and the next like 3 months are gonna just like fly by. It's gonna be madness. But yeah, that is where I'm gonna leave you guys. I hope you've all had an amazing weekend and start to your week, because I think you'll be seeing this on Tuesday. But yeah, I love you all lots. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again later. Goodbye.